Now let's take a look at what is happening in the world of business, and we start off with Kenya out a comprehensive quality policy that will help the enterprises enhance their competitiveness in the international. Secretary, that is Salim Mvurya, says the policy will also fortify the standardization, accreditation and conformity assessment of locally an edge in the international markets.
Kenyan products have struggled to meet the stringent quality and safety standards markets. This has led to difficulties in exporting goods, especially to regions with high regulatory standards requirements, resulting to and limited economic growth potential.
We've had a gap in coordination of issues of quality. I know we have the government who are looking at issues of quality, issues of accreditation. However, we have not had a mechanism.
Trade Cabinet Secretary Salim Mvurya says the quality policy being rolled out will help address these challenges and promote a culture of ensure the protection of consumer rights and encourage organizations to integrate quality improvement practices into their operations.
Time where Kenya has made a very good effort for global positioning. You know, we are now we have signed the partnership agreement with the European Union, which has now come.
It has further urged stakeholders to collaborate and welcomed more recommendations to ensure implementation of a comprehensive that will cover both public and private organizations at the national county levels to ensure all products and services meet the required national standards. Trevor Ngendo for Lunchtime News.